Your dad started the company in 2007. I want to
Hmm.
talk about that relationship with you. Why your dad couldn't grow this company to the size that you did,
Hmm.
and why you were able to do it, and how did the whole thing went on?
So I think it was the amount of risk that he was able to assume. So he had 5 kids. I'm one of them. He's a tradesman.
You're the oldest?
Yep. Um, so he had a lot more responsibility, and I don't think that was his. That's not what he wanted to do. He was comfortable at 5-6 million, and he was able to provide a really good lifestyle for him and his family that way. But for me, I don't want to be someone who just takes over what my dad had built. I want to put my mark on it. So that's kind of what pushes me to do something different.
Love it. You mentioned that why did he start a company if it wasn't something that he wanted to do?
Um,
Did he do it just to provide for the family?
well, there were some opportunities that came up. He was a tradesman. He did small, painting, contracting, and he actually partnered with his uncle, who's actually my grandpa's brother, to do roofing. So they did roofing and painting together. Some opportunity for federal contracts came up, and we needed a separate entity, and that's kind of what actually started Kapili.
I see.